Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to edit multi-camera footage inside of Final Cut Pro. So basically you can see I have opened Final Cut Pro on my computer, and from here I'm going to open a new project from this option. You can give any name. I will give it Multicam break. You can select the format. I will select 1080p HD, and the frame rate will be 30 FPS, and just click on the OK option to create the project. Now after doing that, you have to import your file. Just click on this option over here, and you can go to anywhere on your computer and select files and import them. I have downloaded some files from the internet, which are going to be here probably. Yes, these are the two. This is the first camera, this is the second camera. So I will just choose both of them and just click on import selected. Now you can see that these two are being imported. Now select any of the files. This is the camera 2. You can see, click on this option over here. So you can see this is camera 2, it's written, and from here you can name the camera. So I'll just name it as B. This is the camera 2. Here this is a camera 1, and again going to this option I will name it as camera A. Now after you have done this, what you do is select both of the clips, right click on them and click on new multicam clip, and you can give any name to the multicam clip. For example, I'll give it multicam 1 and click on the OK option. Now it will automatically create this kind of a multicam clip, and you can just take it and drag and drop it on the timeline. Now basically it looks like only one camera, but it is actually a mixture of two of the cameras. You can see it over going to the view option and click on the angles, and you can see that these are the two options over here. And if you want to change the audio, for example, when I click here and go to this option, you can see that the active audio angle is A, that is the first camera. If you don't want the audio of the first camera, then you can change to the other camera. And you can do this not only with two cameras but with multiple cameras. You can select any of the audio channels, and for example here I will just play this clip so you can see. And now over here I want the second camera to show, so you can just press on the 2 button on your keyboard, so it will just shift to the second camera. Again, if you want to see the first camera over here, then you can click on number 1 on your keyboard and it will again shift to the first camera. And just like that, you can just shift to the cameras whenever you press 1 or 2 on your keyboard. Or if there are 4 clips, then you can click on 3, 4, 5 according to the number of cameras. If I click here 2, then see it will again change to the number 2. Again click on 1, it will change to number 1. Again click on 2, change to number 2. And for example, here you want the audio of the second camera, so again click select that clip, go to this part and select the active audio angle, the other camera which you want. So it will just take the audio of that camera, and that's how we can create multiple camera clip. So you can see that there is a cut between those parts. So when I drag it, see it again switches to the second camera, then to the first camera, and from here it again go to the second camera. Just like that, you can create a multiple camera sequence, and it's too simple to do it. And you can not only do it with just 2 clips, you can do it with even 3 or 4 or 5 clips, as many as you want. And That's a very simple basic tutorial on how to use multiple cameras and edit them. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, then hit the like button, share this video, and also subscribe to the channel. And if you want these clips for practice, I will just link them in the description box below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.
I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around.